is going on, everybody? Happy Sunday evening. Today is the day. We're starting with this beautiful Intel Arc system we're going to be making, showing off the brand new Asrock Phantom Gaming A770. So that's going to be happening today. The PC we're going to be building today is a Core i5-13600K, the Asrock Z790 PG Lightning motherboard. Of course, we're using an Asrock motherboard. Asrock Phantom Gaming Overclocked Arc A770 16 GB edition. The WD Black SN850X 2TB NVMe SSD. We've got the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 at 6000 MHz, 32 gigs. The Phantom's Eclipse G360A, the Deepcool AK620, and then the Corsair RM750E. This is a box of Lightning. That's right, it's the Z790 PG Lightning. It's ready to be unboxed. It's ready to see the build. It's like, it's ready to go. Okay, guys, time to start building. Okay, here we go. Let's get our CPU in. Brand new Core i7-13700K. Will it work? I'm just gonna go slow. Oh, it did not work. Let's go with 98 for the RAM clicks. We're going high. 98. Don't disappoint me, T-Force. Oh, 96. Well, I don't think this is gonna get it. Nope, it did not happen, guys. That was not the loudest click. I thought that would actually be pretty stream. Let's get some thermal paste on it. Thermal paste we're using is the Noctua NTH1. I really like their thermal paste. It's kind of my go-to brand. It's really easy to spread. It's got good viscosity, and then the other two is the performance is good too. Oops, don't forget this. Almost forgot, but I didn't. I do this backwards, guys. I think I put this on backwards. That's good, I didn't. Sometimes it actually makes sense to read the instructions. Oh yeah, there's an arrow on it. I totally didn't follow the instructions. There's literally an arrow on it that says CPU. Good job, Robey. This is gonna plug into CPU fan up here. Okay, let's get this on. RAM is in, board is done. Okay, let's get this stripped. Just gonna pull the back off. There you go. Okay, there's all our cables. Okay, everything there looks good. So we have the screwdriver that fits across everything. Yeah, it makes it really easy for some of these longer, like the middle ones. There we go. Okay, let's get our rear fan in. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna do a little trickery here and try and run this. I like this a whole lot better when the top, I forgot the top comes off of this. Okay, cool. There we go. Run this down here. And now what you can see here is I actually have a fan header right here. And now that can all be hidden. Okay, this is taking care of all of our RGB, which everybody knows is very important. And then once this is done, then we are in, the rest actually goes pretty quick. The USB-C and USB 3.2. So they are right there. Oh, there's two of them. We're gonna run the side one because that's always good. Okay, there we go, guys. All our cables are routed. After this, we get to do cable management. We want to see as few cables as possible. Same with this one. Okay, now's the part where we now start to make this look a lot more clean. That looks much better, don't you think? Okay, let's clean it up now. There you go, that's much better, right? Okay, so now what we're gonna do real quick is we're gonna do our extensions, and then we'll put in our GPU. I like these cable extensions, they're really nice looking. Okay, so what we're working on right now is making this look the most ideal here. There we go. Okay guys, next up is graphics card. Okay, now to make sure we vert mount this, okay, let's figure out what pad we're gonna need here. I think we're gonna need the thickest one. I think it's gonna be this one. So here it is, the Phantom. It's nice to see the blue box. It's got that new GPU smell. Looks like it's gonna fit. All we got left is the power supply, and then we're done. And then the build will be completely finished. We can start benchmarking it. Okay, let's get this open. There we go. Okay, we're gonna get this put down here now. Okay, there we go, guys. Just gonna hide this one underneath here. Okay, guys, build is done. There we go. Okay, here we go, guys. Power on. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. One of these cables is not quite tight. Hold on, let me fix this. Try it one more time. There we go, fixed. Looks good. Now we wait. Oh, wait, never mind. We don't have to wait, it's right there. There it is. It is posted and live, guys. Boom. Okay, let us start. See how the temperatures are gonna be. Do 10 minute to see how it goes. Jumping into the 80s, but it'll stay in the low 80s. Maybe get into the mid 80s, but still plenty of room. Pulling 148 watts, no problem. Okay, so let's start with something fun. Pop open some Cyberpunk. Gonna go to graphics, ray tracing ultra high. So this is 1440p. Again, this is abusing the crud out of it with ray tracing ultra. Again, we're really kind of pushing it here for a card that costs what it costs. So let's do this. This is basically medium ray tracing now. There we go, now we're getting closer to 50. Ray tracing low, again, changing XESS to balanced. Turn ray tracing off and this will jump to north of 100. But look, looks like we're gonna get north of 60 here. But again, guys, this is a $300 card. And it's like, this is running better than a 3060 very easily, you know what I mean? So in terms of what you're seeing here, 1440p with some ray tracing, which, you know, again, awesome. So this is no ray tracing, this is just ultra. Yeah, I mean, for a game like this, for it to be able to do this at 1440p, and now we're getting close to 80 when we're outside. Okay, so let's check out Call of Duty. Unlimited frame rate, we're gonna go to balanced. Just try basic settings. How high can we get it? 90, like it looks like 89, 90. Now, if you wanted to and just really push a high refresh rate monitor, you could go down to 1080p. Okay, so here's 1080p. Yeah, you're sitting north of 100 now. But there you go, 109 FPS if you're running at, and then if you just want to run raw, let's check out Hogwarts Legacy real quick. This is everything at ultra, ray tracing on. We're letting it 60 frames per second, and this is like everything as max as you could. This is like the most memory intensive area. We're getting 70 frames per second. Okay, so opening up Flight Sim now. We're gonna start with Ultra and see how this does. Okay, so here we go. We're looking at 28 frames, 30. This is 1440p, not 1080p or anything like that. So this is 1440p. Okay, so let's change it. Let's see what we can get to 60. Okay, here we go. This is medium settings. There we go, now we're at 60. Throttle the engine. Whoa, 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 gosh darn it. Oh, that was good. Okay, so it looks like medium is about where you're gonna be here. I know, I really wanna see if I can fly down the street. There we go. I feel like it's locked at 60. For some reason, I feel like it's locked. I feel like VSync is on or something. Oh, that's why. There we go. So it looks like medium settings is about what you want to do. If you went down to 1080p, you'd probably actually have a pretty, it could probably be better at 1080p. Okay, let's see if we can land, guys. There we go. Let's check out Baldur's Gate 3. So this is just regular, high. Okay, so 70, that's fine. For a top-down game like this, 70 frames per second is fine. Okay, so yeah, you can play Baldur's Gate 1440p. No problem with everything on high. Okay, now we're setting ultra. Oh wow, so now it's up to 80. Well, there it is, guys. Amazing build. I hope you guys were impressed with what it was capable of doing. Have an awesome rest of your weekend, which is very, very short. Congratulations to all the kids going back to school, and we'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye, guys.